Have you ever wondered which countries offer the most unforgettable experiences in Asia? From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beaches of Bali, Asia is a continent brimming with diverse cultures, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cities. But before we delve into our list of the top 5 countries to visit, which cities have you had the pleasure of exploring in Asia? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let us know which ones left a lasting impression on you. Now, let's embark on a journey through Asia's most captivating destinations. Number 5. Thailand. Our journey begins in Thailand, a tropical paradise known for its stunning beaches, vibrant street markets, and rich cultural heritage. Explore the bustling streets of Bangkok, visit ancient temples in Chiang Mai, and relax on the pristine shores of Phuket. Experience the country's famous street food culture, indulge in traditional Thai massages, and immerse yourself in the warm hospitality of the Thai people. With its diverse attractions and welcoming atmosphere, Thailand is a must-visit destination for any traveler exploring Asia. Number 4. Japan. Next up, we have Japan, a country where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern technology. Explore the bustling streets of Tokyo, visit historic temples in Kyoto, and admire the natural beauty of Hokkaido. Experience the country's rich cultural heritage through traditional tea ceremonies, sumo wrestling matches, and cherry blossom festivals. Indulge in delicious Japanese cuisine, from sushi and ramen to tempura and yakitori. With its unique blend of old and new, Japan offers travelers an unforgettable experience unlike any other. Number 3. Vietnam. Moving on to Vietnam, a country known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Explore the ancient streets of Hanoi, cruise through the majestic limestone karsts of Long Bay, and explore the historic town of Hoi An. Experience the country's diverse culinary scene, from fragrant pho noodles to fresh seafood dishes. Immerse yourself in the country's rich cultural heritage through traditional water puppet shows, folk music performances, and colorful festivals. With its breathtaking scenery and warm hospitality, Vietnam is a destination that will capture your heart. Number 2. India. Next on our list is India, a land of vibrant colors, rich history, and diverse cultures. Explore the bustling streets of Delhi, visit the iconic Taj Mahal in Agra, and explore the historic forts and palaces of Rajasthan. Experience the country's rich cultural heritage through traditional dance performances, intricate handicrafts, and colorful festivals. Indulge in delicious Indian cuisine, from spicy curries to savory street food snacks. With its rich tapestry of experiences, India offers travelers an unforgettable journey through its vibrant landscapes and dynamic cities. Number 1. China. Rounding out our list is China, a country steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty. Explore the ancient wonders of Beijing, walk along the Great Wall, and marvel at the terracotta warriors in Xi'an. Discover the modern metropolis of Shanghai, cruise along the picturesque Li River in Guilin, and explore the vibrant city of Hong Kong. Experience the country's rich cultural heritage through traditional Chinese opera performances, tea ceremonies, and martial arts demonstrations. With its diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, China offers travelers an unforgettable journey through one of the world's most fascinating countries. There you have it, our top 5 countries to visit in Asia. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Bangkok, experiencing the rich cultural heritage of Kyoto, or marveling at the ancient wonders of Beijing, Asia offers travelers a diverse array of experiences just waiting to be discovered. Have you had the pleasure of visiting any of these countries? Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know your favorite memories and recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!